Well, BC Culture Days is making its way to Kelowna, and from September 24th to October 24th, you can experience a wide variety of free activities happening right here at the Rotary Arts Centre. In 2020, most of Culture Days was broadcasted online, but this year there is opportunity for many in-person activities.
So Culture Days is a national campaign that aims to promote awareness, accessibility, and participation in arts and culture across Canada. So in Kelowna, that kind of, it looks very similar to other smaller cities across Canada. There are a lot of events people can participate in. There's workshops people can actively get involved in. There are walking tours, and we're putting artists, performing artists, around the cultural district. So audiences can actually pick up a map at Tourism Kelowna or the Rotary Centre for the Arts and then wander the area on Saturday night from 7 to 10 and see all of the performances or just check out a few. We're gonna have a food truck here. You get a discount on food at Boxcar during the event. So it's a really safe way to explore art and culture and also the cultural district, and hopefully people will see things they, again, didn't really realize are in their own neighborhood or in their own backyard, really.
All events are free, but donations can still be made to artists directly. Explore Kelowna and everything it has to offer over the next 4 weeks. You can check out the BC Culture Days website or the Rotary Arts Centre website for more information on the event. For Kelowna Now, I'm Sarah Jones.